So in a couple of the rooms I'm in, there's been quite a few questions lately about a setup that we talk about quite frequently, and I thought I would go over it here um, very quickly, try to do a really short video so that we can point people to this concept later. And the trade setup is called a green bar ignored or GBI, or a red bar ignored or RBI. Um, and here is BWA from Thursday. And we're going to look at this candle right here, right? So the concept behind this, and I'll go over the nuances and the best time to trade it a little later, but is we're looking for a down push, preferably to a support area, a VWAP, a moving average, or in this case, prior support down here. And then we're looking for the buyers to come in for a counter trend move, and we want them to quickly fail. We want them to be squashed very, very quickly and have the next bar break down below where the buyers tried to step in. The traditional way to play it would be a short as that breaks, and then a stop either above the high of the candle before it, or like so where the buyers failed, or the current candle that formed it, depending on when that candle was. Okay, so the best ways to play them is on a trending stock. You can see if I zoom out a bit, this BWA gap down, right? So it's weak off the bat. It tried to push up in the first opening drive, but we can see that the overall move over the past hour or so is bearish. Comes to support, bounces a little bit, unable to bounce higher, and a continuation down. Another way to do it is behind or through a support area. So the stock comes down to VWAP. That's a natural place for people to buy. They tried to push it up. That fails, you take the failure. Time frames, like with most trading, the higher time frames work a little bit more consistently, but you're going to have a little bit higher risk. So it's kind of all depending. There's time of day also matters as well. You know, you'll take 15 minutes, works great after the opening chaos. I'll show you an example today in Hertz that we took on the 2-minute chart. Right here. So the same kind of concept. We've been moving down for a bit. We are near lows where the stock bounces. Fails to get back over VWAP. We take a short through it. We put a stop over the highs, and you can see that this was a very, very nice trade. So for a red bar ignored or an RBI, all you'll have to do is flip that in your mind. So again, I hope this was a very good, very quick explanation so that when people are asking we can just point them to this video. So have a good weekend, guys.